Hey FineGap viewers, welcome to Prompt Engineering and Advanced Chatgpt course. My name is Muhammad Fahim Hassan, a full-stack WordPress developer, programmer and a content creator. Normally, 1 year ago, we were building projects for our clients, and when we face problems, we directly search on Google. Mostly Stack Overflow was our great helper. But when I hear about ChatGPT, I start exploring about ChatGPT and start learning prompt engineering. Viewers, believe me, it helped me a lot. While I was spending my time to write code, to debug my code, and to find solutions of my problems on the Google and other different websites like Stack Overflow, ChatGPT helped me to get rid of them, and it helped me tremendously to save my time. In the meanwhile, I start learning prompt engineering, and it helped me to use the actual power of this large language model. And now I'm going to create a course for you so we can learn that this is not a Google, this is a large language model. And we can learn how we can actually get benefit from this tool. So that's what we are going to learn in this course. In this course, we will cover the advanced ChatGPT techniques so we can learn how we can get most of the benefit from this large language model developed by OpenAI in November 22 was its launch date. In this course, we will cover the advanced prompting techniques to use ChatGPT, because if you will use these large language models without learning how to actually use them, you will miss their benefits. And maybe these large language models will not give you the results that you are expecting from them. In this course, we will cover application of ChatGPT in multiple use cases and developing application on top while considering its limitation. I hope you will enjoy learning this course. Please feel free to let us know that how we can improve our content if you ever feel that we are not providing you the value from our content. And before ending, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And please must share this playlist with your those friends who want to get benefits from these AI tools. And obviously, these techniques will also be helpful for you to use other AI tools like DALL-E, which is an image generator. And we know that there are hundreds of other AI tools and they all accept prompts mostly from the user and generate results. So I believe you should invest your time to learn prompt engineering so you will be a smart worker. Thanks for watching.